Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School. I am here with a new video lecture. Students, let me remind you once again that we have discussed the chapter number 2 which was skipping shoes. Okay, प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने इस चैप्टर को रीड किया था एंड दिस चैप्टर इज़ नाउ फिनिश्ड, ये ख़त्म हो चुका है और अब जो है हमें इसकी एक्सरसाइज करनी है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू कवर द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन नंबर ए. व्हाट इज़ द क्वेश्चन नंबर ए? स्टूडेंट्स, take the correct answer. Students, in the question number A, you have to take the correct answer. Firstly, you will read all the statements very carefully and you will read the options which are given in your book. Okay, after that you will try to find out the right answer for the question. So let's start. What is the question number 1? One day, Kitty was given a shiny. Students, what is the right answer? A. One day, Kitty was given a shiny pair of shoes. So, the first answer is A. Okay. And this shiny pair of shoes were given by her mother. Okay. एक दिन उसकी माँ किटी की माँ ने उसे क्या दिया था? A shiny pair of shoes. Plate is a wrong answer. Pair of gloves, it is also a wrong answer. So what is the right answer? Pair of shoes. Now the second question. What is the question number 2? Kitty charmed all the girls by. किटी ने सारी गर्ल्स को कैसे अट्रैक्ट किया था, कैसे अपनी तरफ आकर्षित किया था? Your options are: first option being friendly, second option fetching Willy's ball, third option dancing prettily. So what is the right answer? C. C is the right answer. Okay. Kitty charmed all the girls by dancing prettily. Okay. When it happened, ये कब हुआ था? When Kitty was dancing in the air and she was taking a very delicate steps in the air by the help of shoes. All the girls were charmed by Kitty. Okay. Now what is the right answer of second question? C. Now what is the question number 3? When Kitty's sister asked her to pick some strawberries, the shoes, what is the right answer? Your options are: stopped her from going to the strawberry bed, made her dance, landed her in the strawberry bed with one jump. Okay. When Kitty's sister asked her to pick some strawberries, the shoes, जब किटी की सिस्टर ने उससे कुछ स्ट्रॉबेरीज मांगे थे तो शूज़ ने क्या किया? उसे जाने से मना कर दिया, डांस किया उसने, या फिर लैंडेड हर इन द स्ट्रॉबेरी बेड विथ वन जम्प. सो द राइट आंसर इज सी. ओके, व्हाट इज़ द राइट आंसर ऑफ थर्ड? राइट आंसर इज सी. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. The cricket thought Kitty was related to his cousin, the grasshopper, because Kitty. क्रिकेट ने सोचा कि जो किटी है वो उसकी कज़िन ग्रासशॉपर से की रिलेटिव है. उसने ऐसा क्यों सोचा? उसने ऐसा इसलिए सोचा क्योंकि ये ऑप्शंस आ अंडरस्टूड व्हाट द क्रिकेट सेड. जो क्रिकेट ने जो भी कहा था क्या वो समझ पाई थी, इस वजह से ऐसा कहा उसने. टुक लॉन्ग लीव्स लाइक हिम, उसकी तरह से बहुत लॉन्ग लीव्स, वो लंबी लंबी उछाले ले सकती थी, जंप कर सकती थी, इस वजह से उसने कहा. या फिर स्पोक लाइक हिम, या फिर उसकी तरह वो बोल पा रही थी, इसकी वजह से उसने कहा. सो व्हाट इज़ द राइट आंसर? राइट आंसर इज़ बी. द आंसर ऑफ फोर्थ इज़ बी. ओके, दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन नंबर ए. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर डी. What is question number D is asking? Okay. Question number D is match these words from the story with their meaning. Students, you have given two columns, column number A and column number B. In column number A, words are given to you, and in column number B, meanings of these words are given to you, and you have to match column A with column B. You have to match the words with their meanings. Okay, so let's start. What is the first meaning? The first meaning is wind. So the meaning of wind is spoke in a complaining voice. Okay, spoke in a complaining voice. So the answer of first is, you have to match first word to D. Okay, now second word is trotting. What is the meaning of trotting? The meaning of trotting is moving at a quick और even pace. Okay, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी जाना. Okay, so you have to match the second word to E. Okay, now what is the answer of third? What is the meaning of third? Third word is stubborn. What is the meaning of stubborn? The meaning of stubborn is refusing to agree or give in. Okay, ज़िद्दी हो जाना. ओके, किसी काम को तुरंत मना कर देना. सो द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड इज बी. यू हैव टू मैच द थर्ड वर्ड विद द मीनिंग ऑफ बी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट फोर्थ इज इमिटेट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ इमिटेट? इमिटेट मीन्स कॉपी. ओके, सो द राइट आंसर इज सी. यू हैव टू मैच फोर्थ टू द सी. नाउ लास्ट वन इज which was remaining A. So what is the meaning of prank? Prank means naughty tricks. So the right answer is A. That's it for today, students. In the next video lecture, we will cover the remaining part of the exercise. Till then, you will fill your book and practice it in your HW copy. Okay. Goodbye, students.